What is your passion?
My passion is art and basketball.
Who inspires you?
My parents, because they always help me achieve the dreams that I want to achieve.
Cool. What do you think makes North Ormesby great?
The parks and the graffiti at Doggy Park.
Why do you like living in North Ormesby and why?
Because it's a great place to communicate with other people.
What do you think of the houses?
They're alright. Some houses are nice, some houses are just bad.
What do you think of the people?
Lots of people are really nice, like to talk to you, but some are just want to be lonely.
What was your experience living in North Ormesby?
It's been good. Because we've made lots of friends.
How long have you lived in North Ormesby and who have you lived with?
6 years. I've lived with my mum, dad, my 3 brothers and my little sister.
Thank you for answering the questions.